Hey guys, it's a really fresh and sweet moment right now. I've been waiting for this a long time. It is really exciting and I'm kind of nervous right now. It's gonna be the unboxing of the Motorola Edge Plus, the latest flagship from Motorola, and it's gonna be my daily driver until I finish the review session of this phone. I'm really excited and happy to open this up. So let's get into the video and let's check it out. So here's the box itself. It's pretty neat. We can see the Edge Plus right here, and we open up the box and here comes the phone itself. Does it have fingerprints? It shouldn't, because it's a brand new phone. Alright, let's lift the phone up. Oh my god, it feels nice. It's cold because we live in Canada and it just arrived. So let's put the phone itself aside, and we have the Motorola package right here. I guess the SIM ejector tool will be inside, and here we have the power cable and the adapter. I guess nothing else is inside. Sure. So yeah, that's kinda it for the unboxing. Let's go check it out. Let's explore the box. So it says includes Motorola Edge Plus, turbo powered charger, USB cable, guides, and SIM ejector pin, which means sadly there's no there's no headphones, but we still have headphones 3.5mm jack. So let's peel this off and get that satisfying moment. Oh my god, I'm just panicking so much. It comes off right like that. Holy. Alright, so that's the camera right there, and this is the phone itself. Sadly, it gets a lot of fingerprints, so that's fine. Alright, the phone is completely new. Before booting it on, let us try charging it up since it'll be at 50%, and let's read the manual and get it to work. Alright, we have a mic down here and a mic up here, and I guess that's it. There's no mic up here as usual, and there should be a mic down here. Yes, so there's a mic down here, and yeah, shoot. Okay, this phone's really like slippery, man. Like, yo, that's it for the unboxing, guys. See you later in my future reviews of this phone and playing around with it. Thanks for watching.